How to track changes in Google Docs. First of all, open your web browser and go to Google Docs at docs.google.com. Then, open the document where you want to track changes. Next, click on the pencil icon in the top right corner of the document. From the drop-down menu, select Suggesting Mode. This mode lets you mark edits that appear as suggestions instead of direct changes. When you type or delete text, your changes will be highlighted in green with a comment bubble on the right side showing your suggestions. This makes it easy for others to review and either accept or reject each change. To review changes, click on the comment bubbles or use the accept or reject buttons that appear when you hover over each suggestions. You can also see a complete list of all changes by clicking on File, then hovering over Version History and selecting See Version History. This shows you every saved version of the document, who made changes and when. If needed, you can restore any previous version by clicking Restore this version. This process helps you collaborate smoothly by tracking edits without losing original content. And that's it. Now you know how to track changes in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.